this video, we will learn about what is Consumer Protection Act. So before going further, let us learn about consumer protection. So consumer protection refers to protection to consumers against the exploitation by the producers and traders. There is a great need of consumer protection. Why? Because to safeguard the interest of consumers and consumer rights are assured. Okay? So now let us learn what is Consumer Protection Act. The consumer movements were started by a few people who suffered on account of regular exploitation by the traders. So such movements brought pressure on the government and alerted it to formulate new acts to safeguard the interest of the consumers. In the last 5 decades, more than 30 acts have been implemented. For example, Essential Commodities Act, Weights and Measures Act, Act Against Adulteration of Food Articles, etc. Okay, the Consumer Protection Act in the year 1986 is a significant step in this direction. So, in the next video, let us learn about what is World's Consumer Day and why is this celebrated.